Here we visit to ChatGPT and write a prompt for generating an article. The prompt was simple: write an article about SpaceX within 200 words. Within next 1 minute, we are going to make an AI-generated video. Here we are copying the article and visiting to our AI website. Pasting the article to the box and clicking to generate button. You will find the links in description. Less than 1 minute our video is ready. Let's see the video generated by AI, including voiceover and subtitles.
SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has emerged as a pioneering force.
The resolution of this clips are 4K.
With its ambitious vision and
this AI is one of best AI video generator in the world.
What is possible in space
have ability
travel.
to create videos in seconds.
Central to SpaceX's mission,
2,500% faster than other AI video generators.
By the Falcon 9
this AI will help you brainstorm, write, narrate, find relevant clips, and edit them all together.
Making access
3 million plus copyright-free assets and safe for commercial use.
Moreover, SpaceX's
have ability to generate natural-sounding voices for videos. 150 plus unique voices, have 40 plus languages and accents. This AI have many features like TikTok video generator, Instagram Reels generator, Facebook Reels generator, YouTube Shorts generator, text to video, blog to video, website to video, article to video, AI image generator, video subtitle generator, video caption generator, video ad generator. Now we are visiting to Wikipedia to find an article. We will make AI video with this AI tool. Finding an article in Wikipedia related with artificial intelligence. After finding your desired article, copy the URL and visit to the AI video generator. Selecting website and paste the copied link. You can adjust duration and also able to select the writing style from here. When coming with a website link, we will need a script to generate video. So here we click to generate script button. This will take few seconds. In the meantime, if you found our video helpful, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here our script of artificial intelligence is ready. Make sure you review the article before generate your video. You can adjust the ratio of your video. With today's strategy, you can start your Faceless YouTube channel. Click on Generate button and wait for few seconds to see the magic of this AI. Video is ready. Is not awesome? Let's see how it is generated.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is the intelligence exhibited by machines or software, as opposed to that of living beings, primarily humans. It is a field of study in computer science that focuses on developing and studying intelligent machines. AI technology is widely used in various industries, government, and scientific fields. Some notable applications include advanced web search engines like Google Search, recommendation systems used by YouTube, Amazon, and Netflix, virtual assistants like Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa, self-driving cars such as Waymo, generative and creative tools like ChatGPT and AI art, and superhuman play and analysis in strategy games like chess and Go. The field of artificial intelligence was founded as an academic discipline in 1956, with Alan Turing conducting substantial research in what he called machine intelligence. Over the years, AI research has gone through cycles of optimism and disappointment, with funding and interest increasing significantly after 2012 with the development of deep learning techniques and after 2017 with the transformer architecture. The early 2020s saw a resurgence in AI research, with companies, universities, and laboratories in the United States leading significant advances in the field. AI research focuses on various subfields with specific goals and tools, including reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and robotics support. The ultimate goal of AI research is to achieve artificial general intelligence, which is the ability to perform any task
Now we
that
are
a
going to
human
make
can do.
another video with AI prompt of this AI tool. Here, we wrote "Make a video for AI video generator" as our prompt. You can use whatever you want. If you want to make your video for YouTube Shorts or for Facebook Reel, try to select the video duration within 1 minute. And select portrait video size, which is 9 by 16. Click Generate button. Here is our short ready. You will able to use this format's video as YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok video, etc. You can change music if you want. You can change voice if you want.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating. Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
If you find our video helpful, please like our video and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any confusion, please ask us through comment. We will answer each question one by one.
I have been tasked with creating a video for an AI video generator. The goal is to showcase the capabilities of this technology and how it can be used in various industries. I start by gathering all the necessary footage and images that will be used in the video. I carefully select each element to ensure that it aligns with the message we want to convey. As I begin editing the video, I experiment with different transitions, effects, and music to enhance the overall presentation. I want the video to be engaging and informative, capturing the attention of viewers from start to finish. After hours of meticulous editing, I finally have a completed video that I am proud to present. I upload it to the AI video generator and eagerly await the final product. I hope that this video will demonstrate the power and potential of AI
Now
technology
we will go to Google News
revolutionize
and find
the
a
way
recent
we create
news.
content.
We have selected this news from CNN. Now copying the URL and go back to our AI website and paste the URL to box.
Special Counsel Robert Hur's report on President Joe Biden's handling of classified documents concluded that he would not face criminal charges, but raised concerns about his age and memory. The report sparked a political firestorm, with Republicans questioning Biden's ability to serve as president in the 2024 election. In response, Biden held a news conference to defend himself, stating that he knows what he is doing and highlighting differences between his actions and those of former President Donald Trump. During the press event, Biden appeared passionate but also struggled to control the narrative, leading to further questions about his age and sharpness. He made a mistake by referring to the president of Egypt as the president of Mexico, adding to concerns about his memory. This incident was particularly damaging as it occurred during an event meant to demonstrate his vitality and recall. One emotional moment during the press conference was when Biden expressed grief
Everything
over
of
her
this AI is
suggestion that he
awesome,
struggled
but
to
there is a
remember the
one
date of his
problem in
son
this
Beau's death.
website, that this website
This
is not
highlighted
free.
the personal toll that the
It's a
scrutiny
paid
over
AI
his age
video
and memory was
generator.
taking on him. Overall, the report and subsequent press conference brought to light concerns about Biden's age and memory, which could impact his re-election prospects in 2024. Despite his efforts to defend himself, the incident raised questions about his ability to lead effectively in the future.
To download videos from this tool, you will find this AI is not free. Pricing start from $5 for a month. For starter plan, you can use up to 30,000 text-to-speech, up to 3,000 characters per video script and 1080p downloads. And in Pro plan, 200,000 text-to-speech, up to 5,000 characters per video script, 4K downloads. And on Scale plan, 1 million text-to-speech, up to 8,000 characters per video script, 4K downloads, 10 GB storage for uploaded assets. And if you purchase yearly plan, you can save 30% from this price. Please do not forget to find the link in description. Thank you for watching.